This was taken by Richie a few hours after their arrival at the airport. No time for Becky to rest. Her schedule is really jam-packed. Look at Richie walking along the venue area. Oh, Richie. So you think you can walk casually by yourself outside the venue? Think again. Even the kuya is as popular as the ladies. Glad to see that Richie accommodate the fans who want to take picture with him. Anyways, let's go back to the ladies. Soundcheck. Sriracha saying hi Philippines in a low note is so cute. This too really makes the fans go wild.
Excited? So hopefully we have a very, very, very fun night tonight, yeah? Yeah. And we'll see you soon. See you soon. Bye.
Meanwhile, the OG of GL series in the Philippines is already here, Miss Rian Ramos.